Maybe one of those little fans might also bring you some sidewalk joy.
Yeah.
Take a little breeze with you.
You know, we really are heating things up this week today. Another summery afternoon, bit of mugginess out there too. And today also kicks off meteorological fall. That always begins on September 1st. The fall that we all know and love is the astronomical fall. That's always on the fall equinox at later in the month here, September 22nd this year. That traditional start, which is based off the position of the Earth relative to the sun and how we spin around the sun. But meteorological fall, just for the weather field, always starts on September and goes through October and November. So we are there. Let's take a look at what to expect in September. Our average daytime highs still in the upper 70s. And September can typically be a warm month. We've seen some really nice falls where it's dry. It's warmer than normal. We've also seen some very rainy Septembers too. So we'll see what we get this year. Overnight lows back in the mid-50s, still pretty mild, and we start to uptick that rain amount. Average rain is about 1.5 inches, a full inch more than we tend to see in August. Now, what about daylight? We tend to lose about 90 minutes of daylight around Portland here specifically and at our latitude. So nearly an hour and a half of daylight lost. There's your peek up to the mountains where we're slowly starting to build up some daylight there. Out of Government Camp, that's a nice view. But we are cloudy here in Portland, and that sunrise officially at 6:32 this morning, sunset at 7:47. That's about 13 or so hours of daylight today. And again, we lose about 90 minutes of those 13 hours across the month here. So take a look outside, not seeing much rainfall. It's a very quiet pattern here across Oregon. We're seeing some clouds shifting up towards the north. Again, that motion of the airflow over the region is towards the north. And that's important because as we work our way into the week, we're still seeing a nice flow of some mid-level moisture into the region that will pump up our dew points, and that value is how we track the mugginess outside, especially in the warmer summertime temperatures that we get. So it'll feel humid. Our dew points are going to sit around 60 to 65 degrees, just meaning that air feels a bit sticky and more saturated. That is likely the case at least through Thursday before we finally get some cooler days coming this weekend. So again, that mid-level moisture, it's just streaming in from the desert southwest. We again will see very humid conditions, and that will also help to fire off some thunderstorms. That mid-level moisture again working into central and southern Oregon. So we have that chance for thunderstorms, and that threat starts up on Tuesday. Now, not really seeing storms in Portland, but we'll watch that closely. Sometimes they can really push towards the north, but really targeting southern and central Oregon, northern California and Nevada going into the week here for thunderstorms. Again, we stay dry. We'll see patchy clouds out there today. Just a warm afternoon with partly sunny skies. We get to Tuesday, still dry. I think tomorrow's actually very sunny and a little hotter too as we build up a bit of high pressure. But look at that push of clouds. And again, we could see some thunderstorms firing off by Tuesday, likely on Wednesday as well. Just a lot of mid-level moisture and heat across the state. Now, Portland will also feel some heat too. Last week, we were tracking the chance for the mid-90s. We will still build up some hot temperatures this week, but thankfully those temperatures, the forecast has limited a bit and bumped back down to about the lower 90s. So no extreme heat, but we will still see some hot days. It all really begins tomorrow and Wednesday before cool down into the weekend. So prep for a little more heat, a little more sunshine, a muggy week too, but we do look to cool down as we head towards this weekend. We're back in the upper 70s here in Portland.
All right, Kelly, thanks so much. It is fun.